Hi guys, welcome back to the farm. So, first video of 2023. Yeah, so I hope you all had a great new year and stuff. We have just been today just tidying up. Well, you can see it there is a massive table down there. Yesterday we had a lot of people turn up at the farm. So if you did come, no, it was great to meet you all. But today has been a case of just tidying up a little bit. It's been really windy here today, like as you can probably hear on camera. It is really bad. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you along with me now, because it's delivery day tomorrow. So we're just going to harvest some stuff. We've got some broccoli to harvest, some cabbages to harvest. The lettuce and chard will get harvested first thing in the morning. Same with the celery, but stuff like the cabbages, sprouts, if they're ready, we'll get them harvested. The fennel as well. So yeah, I'm going to take you along, guys, and just basically have a little harvest video with you. So one of the things we did do yesterday is we tried to show different parts of the farm, and we put this together. So you had the seeds, which are no longer, so we might end up with a lot of broccoli popping up through that straw because the wind's blowing them off. But we had the seeds, and then the plants start, and then the side heads, and then just as it was starting to blow, you can see it's just starting to blow, and then that is, once it's blown and it starts going to seed. Unfortunately I didn't have one that was fully in seed as well, but that would have been ideal. But one thing, we had the seating area down here, the old rotavator was out, and then water machine, fridge out here for drinks and stuff. Still got a bit of tidying up to do. Yeah, everything's looking really well. Look at that January, and we've just planted broccoli, so we've got more broccoli going out. We've got loads of plant starts going in next week as well. And the kale. There's the mountain, guys. Right, so I'm gonna go grab some crates and I'll be right back with you, and got plenty of broccoli to harvest. We're going to get them to harvest, and then we'll have a look at see what else is ready. At the minute we are going to be harvesting these broccoli now. We've already started taking a lot off, but they're just starting to blow now, so we're going to harvest them the size that they are, get them in the boxes, get them sold, and then hopefully, because we've harvested them, like this one here, it's starting to send off really small new shoots. So what we'll do then is we'll leave them for the new shoots. We'll harvest the leaves, we'll harvest the little shoots. So we're getting 2 or 3 crops off this one plant, which is ideal for us. So yeah, let's get some broccoli harvested. Nice broccoli head. So this is the sort of size that we're harvesting, and they're not the biggest, but these are later ones. We've been harvesting some really big ones over the last couple of weeks, but there's some more quite big ones down there. So yeah, but we've got to get them harvested now because they're going to seed. So once they go to seed, they're no good to us, because I don't collect the seed for broccoli. It's cheaper for me to go out and buy 300 plants for €6. There you go. Everyone's getting a lot of broccoli tomorrow. So like that one, that's not something I'll give to my customer. Now, see how it's starting to split, but we'll have that.
Good for stir fry.
Good for stir fry. Katie likes to stir fry. Yeah, they're alright. They'll do the job. And like I said, if you start looking at the none on there. There is some, I've spotted them down there. But if you look where the ones we chopped off a couple of weeks back, we've had the new side shoots start to come through. So I'll give it a couple of weeks, we'll be picking little heads and bagging them up for the customers. Got my voice back now. I've got to start singing again.
How tired are you today? Oh, I don't know where they just. I don't know where they just went.
Yeah.
It's massive, that one.
There's another stir fry one there.
I like them really long and elongated.
One more.
You can't zoom in. Just tried zooming in. That's got some really big sprouts. That one.
Yeah.
And that one in front.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can see from over there.
Let me hang on. Look at them all.
There's one, that's what really big ones on there. But you can see the difference. That's the ones where we strip the leaves off. How they've got bigger, quicker. You know what I mean? Where the leaves have been stripped off, they have got bigger. So it does work. I've just not done it this year. But we'll be starting to pick these today. Everybody will get a few little sprouts in the box this week.
Oh, num 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 num.
Look at that. Some nice red cabbage.
I'm not used to this gimbal.
Yeah, I've got Katie filming for me because we've got a new gimbal, which let us know, guys, if it looks better on the thing, because I watched one of our old videos on TV the other day and it looks absolutely shocking. It's shaking so much. But yeah, look, these are the cabbages we've got ready. As you can see, 0 pesticides. Yes, the pests do eat them. They come free with the boxes, but no, just a nice sized cabbage. You kiss that, couldn't you? Look at that. Katie's laughing behind the camera.
You just kissed a cabbage.
She thinks I've gone too lolly.
Don't put that machete so close to your head.
Back to the broccoli. These ones, see them? So they're next week's. So the ones that I'm picking today were like that last week. So I'm picking them like that one. That one would have been like that last week. So that there is perfect damage. Someone's had a go at that. Possibly, I don't know, a rabbit. There's no caterpillars, so I don't think it's caterpillars.
Could be a slug or a snail.
Slug, snail or something. But yeah, look, out of all these plants, I found one all the way up this row. So that's why it don't bother me if someone eats my plants, because we've got plenty of them. So we've just got all that broccoli harvested. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it over the wind. I've got some drone footage of it, I'll put it in right now. But if you're hearing goats and bells ringing and dogs barking, it's because just down there, there's about 1,000 goats at the moment. They're our new neighbours. And that's all we hear 24/7 is little bells ringing, because a lot of the males have all got bells on. So yeah, they squeak. Right, so guys, as you can see, the sun's starting to set, so I'm going to crack on now. I've got red cabbages to harvest, sprouts to harvest, but then that'll be it then. And then first thing in the morning, we'll be up about 5 o'clock in the morning, we'll harvest the celery, the lettuce, the chard. We've already been out this morning, we've harvested the broad beans and aubergines from our other plot. The sun, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on camera. The sun is literally like 5 minutes away, and then it'll be dark, and the wind's getting up. So what have we harvest? Sprouts, red cabbage, broccoli. In the morning we've got fennel to do, oranges, celery, lemon. So yeah, what I'll do is
Radishes?
radishes. Yeah, we've got radishes ready to harvest as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got quite a lot in the boxes at the minute, and for January and we're still planting out. Like, we've just planted 300 baby gem, leeks, cauliflower, broccoli. We've got more cabbages coming this week. Onions are going in this week as well.
Taters.
Taters, yeah, we've got more taters going in at some point. So all we're waiting on is they're coming to pick all the lemons. So we've got a company coming in a couple of weeks to pick all the lemons. After they've done that, then there's another company coming in that's going to prune them all back and open all the middles up for us and everything. So once all that's done, then we can plant in between. At the moment, we can't plant because obviously they're going to trample all over the plants and stuff.
What would you plant in between?
So over the next couple of months now, we're going to try and get some more broad beans in, like a later variety of broad beans that you plant now. We're going to, it'll be squash, pumpkins, stuff like that. Potatoes. It'll probably be the last crop of potatoes until September because it gets too warm in the summer for them. We found that out last year. Last year they didn't do. Yeah, so another thing we're going to do this year is we're going to cover crop a lot of this here, right, with sweet potatoes, melons. So we've got cantaloupe melons going in, honeydew, watermelons, and we're trying. I can't remember the name. If I remember to, I'll put it on the screen. But I'm trying to get some seeds from America for a certain type of melon. And I cannot remember. Katie's looking at me. I cannot remember the name of it in my life. No.
You said it the other day
I know.
as well. You said it the other day.
Anyway, I'll leave the name on the screen.
If you remember.
If I remember. But yeah, so we've literally just harvested. There's the sprouts. Got a few eggs. And then Katie's just ran off with all the cabbages and everything. So they're all round the back. They're all round the back ready for the boxes.
Where have I gone?
So we'll be up early doors in the morning. So I finished harvesting everything else for tomorrow's deliveries. So
An early night.
An early night. Before we go, right, obviously there's been if you follow us on Instagram and Facebook and stuff, you'll know that yesterday we had a massive open day.
Yeah.
We had a really big turnout.
48 people.
Was it? There was no room on our driveway for any more cars anyway.
I was quite good at, how long are you going to be right back there?
But we managed to get a big table right up the middle of the orange trees, and it was just fantastic. We put a photo on, food and stuff. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone that did come. Also,
we want to say a big thank you.
We want to say a big thank you. Also, I want to say a big thank you to Barry and Karen from Scottish Couple in Spain. Kate just brought the eggs.
I'm just going to put them down there.
Scottish Couple in Spain. They went live here yesterday. If you've not seen that video, go over, because they get a completely different perspective of the farm, because they film it in a completely different way. And he was like collaring us and, no, come here for 5 minutes, you're going to speak to us for 5 minutes sort of thing.
Random questions that we have no idea that they're going to ask us.
Yeah, so
what comes out, sorry.
I'll leave a link to that video in the description. Also, go over and see their channel anyway, because they live in Spain a completely different way to us. They're city slickers. They live in the they live in the city. Thanks Steve and Mags from Family Finca 5.
Yeah.
They're up in Almeria. They're doing the same as us. I know they're putting a video together. I'm not sure whether it'll be up by the time this video comes out, but I'm going to leave a link to their channel down below as well. Go down, hit the subscribe button, guys. Go over and see what they're doing, because they're doing some really good stuff.
I really want their asparagus.
Actually, take it.
If you're listening to this, I want some asparagus, please.
So, guys, we're going to leave it there. I'm going to have an haircut, and we're going to just sit back, watch the sunset, and get everything ready for the morning. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you've not, go down, hit the subscribe button. If you've already subscribed and you've come over from another channel, Scottish couple in Spain or anywhere like that, no, thanks for coming over.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you next week. I've got my voice back.
Yay!
It's time for me to get back to. It's time for me to get back to work. I've had 4 weeks off in bed, so about time I get back to doing some work. But guys,
Lazy.
we will catch you on the next one. See you later.